Hey, my name is Jorge. We're here on New Fix and Flip on Tempe, Arizona.
And my name is Kyle. Let's go show you guys around. So right off the get-go, we come inside of the living room, and so we're going to knock out this wall, and we're going to open up to make this really open and still have, obviously entertainment area, couches, all that type of stuff. But first things first, just going right into it, and opening up that wall is going to be huge.
Yes, to have the open floor kitchen and put an island in the middle and have a nice view to the patio as well.
So we're here with Roberto. He's the Apple cabinetry guy. He want to show you the new layout for this property.
This property will have with the fridge coming this way, and then we're gonna do a sink on that side. Then we're gonna do a utility pantry on that side to expand the usage of this kitchen. And then we'll put a island here with 24-inch depth cabinets with a 12-inch depth cabinets for more storage. And some sitting area with the overhang, 12-inch overhang.
Yeah, I've been working with Roberto for almost 5 years now or something like that. And so he's come up with some really good ideas to reconfigure the kitchen cabinets and stuff like that. And so if you guys need cabinets, make sure to talk to this guy. He'll help you guys out. Yep. And then, so this is going to be like more of your formal dining room area. So we're going to redo the sliders, put obviously in here. We're not really sure exactly what we're going to do here yet. So we're going to come up with some ideas. But then this is really where I think a big value add is what we're going to do inside the garage. We're going to basically add in a laundry room. So right now the laundry is in the garage. So we're going to frame that in, drop some ductwork in there, and then basically, create that laundry room that was just kind of sitting in the garage. And we're going to have to make sure that it has air in there, so it's cool. So you're not going in the summer, right? So right now it's almost middle of June when we're filming this video. And it's really hot outside in Arizona. So if you don't have to go outside to do laundry, it's going to be a huge selling point for this house. Let's go outside. The backyard, obviously everyone loves a pool in Arizona. So one of the things that we're going to do is replaster and then kind of just clean up the backyard. Do you have any other plans for the backyard?
Who's planning to keep it fish? What do you think?
Yeah, I think we keep the fish. I think if you guys can drop a comment, do we keep the fish or do we not? So one of the biggest things is always the big ticket items when you're flipping houses. So right now the guys are already started on the roof. And so we literally took over this property as of today.
Yes.
And already started. So this is one of the things when you start working with guys that are serious about this job and take it serious, like Jorge does, you guys have crews that are ready to go and start on these properties. So we're going to be doing the roof. We're going to also be doing the AC unit as well. These are two major ticket items that are obviously going to help us to sell this house once we get to relist it. All right, we're in the master bedroom, and this is arguably one of the most important spots of the entire house. And the reason why is the person that's usually paying for the house is usually residing and living in here. So we want to make this a paradise. So Jorge, what do we have planned to kind of do inside of this master bedroom?
Okay, we will keep the same layout because it's a really big size.
Yeah, this is really big for Tempe.
Yes.
So I would keep the same layout. Using the master bathroom, we're thinking about blended tile.
Yep.
New cabinets, new recess lights, new vanity lights, and retile all the shower. So let's basically have the same layout because it's perfect. It's just re-cosmetic thing.
Yeah, exactly. And these are some of the things that it keeps doing. And then we're going to save this door over here, this door, obviously freshen them up, paint everything inside of here, and then do also new texture throughout the whole house as well. So these are some of the small details that obviously do it. And then throughout the rest of it, we're going to do LVP over here. Some of the things when you start going through these houses, like every time that you could save something like this is a good door that if we paint new hardware, could be in and out for a lot cheaper than obviously buying the door, buying the whole casing, all that type of stuff, installing, throwing away. This obviously all adds up.
It's a really good shape, and the vendors told me they just repaired one here at home.
Yeah. And so also too, inside the bedrooms, we keep it simple, right? We're probably doing new closet doors, new fans. All of this looks really nice, so we'll keep this.
The windows
are nice too as well. And so we'll really just throw new flooring down, paint, texture, and call it a day. And so we'll be in and out of these bedrooms for really cheap. So these bedrooms are really, you don't spend a lot of money when you're flipping houses, right? So really the money's in the kitchen, the major ticket items, the pool, the roof, the garage, all those things, the master bathroom and bedroom. So that's where you're going to be spending the money at it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video about the fix and flip. We're going to have a couple more series on this house specifically to talk about exactly what happens after we finish this house, and you guys can see the before and after. And then we're also going to do a video after we sell the house and talk about the numbers and the breakdown of everything you need to know about flipping real estate. So if you guys want more information, make sure to go ahead and subscribe on YouTube. If you guys are looking for any contracting or any help in Arizona, my man Jorge has you guys covered. So Jorge, what's your phone number that you can reach out if you want to get in contact?
Thank you for that show. My phone number is is 602-430-7298.
Cool.
So if you need anything,
Yeah.
anything, just let me know, and I'll be happy to help.
And then say it one more time for the people, just in case they missed it the first time.
602-430-7298.
Perfect. So give Jorge a call. We appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend.